This is the best method to clean the greased grills on the stove. If you have ever had problems removing the grease from the grills, do not worry, because today I will teach you the most effective way to remove the accumulated grease from your stove, easily and quickly, and using a few ingredients that you surely already have in your house. Your stove will be like new, and you will come back here to thank me. To begin with, we are going to take a container more or less of this size, and then we will add 5 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is an all-in-one ingredient when it comes to cleaning, and everyone should have it at home. Then we take 3 lemons cut in half and squeeze their juice into the container. We reserve the rinds of the lemons, as we will use them later. Mix very slowly as it can be a little effervescent. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching this video, so that I can send you a special greeting in the next one. Today's greeting is for Antonio Zamora from Chile. Thank you for always watching and enjoying our tips. Then add a cup of white vinegar. You should do this in jets, as it could raise foam. Do this, mix again very carefully. Unlike the toxicity of traditional cleaning products, this is a very powerful homemade mixture to clean and degrease without putting your health at stake. Now we are going to do the trick. First, we take the grills and apply the mixture. You can help yourself a little with the help of a spatula, so you do not limit yourself to applying it on all sides. With this, I assure you that the grills are like new, shiny, and completely free of fat and dirt. Once you have completely soaked the grill, you must let it rest for approximately 15 minutes so that the ingredients take their effect. After this time, you will take the lemon rinds that you had saved and you will use them to rub the entire grill. Immediately do this, you will notice the difference. Just look at how all the accumulated fat and dirt is falling. Then we take it to the sink and rinse with plenty of water. Just look at how the grills were, free of fat and shiny. The next time you have fat on your stove, you will know what to do. If you got this far, leave me the phrase, "I want my new stove." That way I'll know you watched the video until the end.